Hey guys, welcome to our crazy RV, and today we're showing you how to reseal your RV. We recently ripped ours apart. Now that that's all taken care of, it decided it was going to rain like 40 inches over the last 2 weeks, so we haven't been able to actually get to sealing this back up. So that's what we're working on today, and it's pretty easy to do, so we're going to show you how to do it. And I have found that this tool, which I meant to look up what it's called, it's just a little pry bar. It's amazing. If you don't own one of these, add it to your toolbox, because you can use it for everything from cooking to a lot of construction stuff, pulling off baseboards, all that fun stuff. However, it does work good for pulling the caulking away from the corner here, because you have to remove all of the caulking so that you have a nice clean surface to work with before you reapply it. And we found that this works good.
Oh, I was going to share my favorite tool. That's not my favorite tool. No,
and a little razor blade, I found it does work good in some situations. However, it does cut into the fiberglass in our camper quite easily. So this tool actually worked better.
My tool down there.
What was your favorite tool?
This is my favorite tool. Well, I did cut myself, but anyways, it's not, maybe because it's so dull, it's working okay. Like, it's not as maybe it's...
We partly use that to pull the tar off of the floor that when we did our reno.
Oh, is that why we have it? Anyways, it worked good for this. I could go along and scrape it out, so, and not jab into the side of the camper too much. Don't look too close.
Yeah. Anyways, we're going to get started on this and show you how you can get this done. Super quick and easy.
Hey, we're Richard, Carma, Brooklyn, Braeden, and Acacia. So we love to explore and share life as a family with all the adventures along the way. We hope to inspire you to chase your dreams by joining us in our crazy RV.
So the sealant that we're using is ProFlex RV caulking, and this stuff works really good. It is tricky to work with though, because it seems to harden up, like gum up pretty quickly. The benefit of this is that it's designed for RV, so as you travel it's going to hold up better. It's also not going to pick up dirt. Here you can see we used just some regular other caulking before, and it is just completely nasty, and this stuff is not supposed to do that. Okay, so an update on our truck. It's still at the shop. Camper's still parked here. And the new engine is being shipped right now. We should have it on Monday. Get it on Monday. It's going to take some time to put the engine in, get everything up and running, and then...
Let's say engine. You say engine.
Why should I say engine instead of engine?
You say engine, I say engine.
Potato, potato. What do you say, engine or engine? Or motor? Or you avoid the whole topic and you just say thing under the hood? Then once we do get the new thing under the hood in, then we have to break it in, and we can't just hook this thing up and drive. So there'll be a break-in period. So I think season 4 is going to be delayed a little bit. I don't know. We have to see. It's going to be hard to tell. It's all up in the air. It's all spontaneity. That's what RV life is all about, right?
But it's going to happen. Whether
it's going to happen.
It's just going to be a big surprise even to us.
Exactly. Okay, I'm good to there. We have to do the rest of this.
This isn't as satisfying as the other side because this is cruddy stuff.
Yeah.
The other one was like digging in and it's just like, pull it off. So this isn't as fun.
So we need to use the mineral spirits in order to get everything as clean as possible on that seam. So they'll quickly clean everything right down, and then that way the sealant has a much better chance of adhering properly to the surface. So this makes sure it's super clean.
It's so funny how you're like totally not uncomfortable with me coming like right up in your face with the camera, I would just be like, ugh.
I'm so used to it.
Yeah. I'm not even looking at the cocking. I'm just looking at your face. You're moving closer.
It's because I was a child actor.
In what world?
Never mind. Look at this bead.
Woohoo!
There,
Oh, that was good.
That's what we're going for.
Okay, let's see if you... Ooh. I see a lump right there. If Braeden were here, he'd be like, I give that about an 8 out of 10.
Everything's an 8 out of 10.
I know, he's always rating everything.
I use a mixture of water and dish soap, and I find that's my preference. Some people say mineral spirits, but I've always used dish soap, and I like it. So I'm going to stick with that. Stuff smudges so easily. I find that if I put my finger on this part and then smooth it kind of out like that, it works better than trying to go on the inside.
You're such an artist.
I am. That is our little bit of sealant done on our RV. I hope you found it helpful. If you like these DIYs, it's mostly because we're stuck here and we can't do anything else. So DIY is what you get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and found it useful, but I want to know your tips for sealing your RV. What are the things that you do? What do you prefer? There's a ton of different ways of doing this, and we'd love to hear your version of how that works down. Please like, subscribe, and we will see you next Sunday.
Kitty. Hello, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Did you have your babies so long ago? Do you have more coming? Are you kidding me? Cat, you just had babies like 3 months ago. You're gonna have them again. Oh boy, yep.